Hello, in this tutorial we are going to talk about client-only plugins. So, what is a client-only plugin? A client-only plugin is a plugin that can only work on the client. And the opposite of that is a server-only plugin that can only work on the server. So, for example, I have here, this is a plugin, an Axios plugin. Axios is, like a utility you use to fetch data from a server, from an API. So right now, this is both client and server, But let's say I did something like this, right? Let's say I wanted to import crypto. Crypto is in Node, right? And so let's say that I wanted to say, hey, we are going to create a random, so you just say rand here, we're going to say crypto dot random bytes, right? I'm just going to create like just some random bytes. Now the thing is that I'm just going to save that. So crypto only works in Node on the server. It doesn't work in the client side. So let's see what happens when I try to run this. Boom. You have a problem right there. It says Mozu crypto has been externalized for press compatibility. Cannot access crypto random bytes in client code because this can only work on the server. So how do we do that? How do we make this plugin only work server side? This is how you would do this then. Actually, this one make much, well, here, let's do this. So we're just gonna add server to this. So in Nuxt, when you add server or client to a plugin to the name like this, the plugin, it means it can only run on the server. So let's try that. I'm gonna clear this out and then try to run that. And of course, that doesn't make sense either, meaning it recognizes this, right? It recognizes that this can run is server side, but this plugin is actually being called on the client side, right? So, but what if we added just client to that? Right? If we remove this, and we said this should only run on the client, meaning it won't run on the server at all. Don't save that. Try to run that. And now that works. Wait a minute. Ooh. Oh, did I not save this? No, I did not. There we go. Now there is that plugin, so it works. So this is exactly how you can have a plugin that only runs on the client or on the server. This time, and this actually might also save you in terms of how many times it gets like rendered. If you're only using a plugin on the client, or you only wanted to run on the client, for example, if you had like document stuff here that has to do with the document object model that exists on the client but not on the server, then you want to add the name client here. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hey, if you want to have a Nuxt 3 starter kit that's beautiful like this one, see, it has a home page, it has a few pages, and if you look at it here in this example, it has some pages, it has a layout, it comes with components. This is to help you learn how to build a beautiful Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit. Yes, it comes with Tailwind, so this can help you get started building your own Nuxt 3 app. So just click the link in the below this video and you can have yourself this beautiful Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit. Hey, I hope you like this video. I'll talk to you soon. Shalom.